Hey, what's up everybody? Today I have this brand new black and white theme deck. I got the Serperior one because it's my favorite one. So let's open this up. It's pretty cool right here. I don't usually open theme decks, but it's new, so I decided to pick it up. Hey, here's this Serperior you get. That's nice. And here's the cards. Okay. Get Psychic Energies, Professor Juniper, Audino, Psychic Energy, Serperior, Pokemon Communication, Snivy, Whirlipede, Psychic Energy, Pokeball, Serving, Patil, Psychic Energy, Energy Retrieval, Muna, Revive, Psychic Energy, Patrat, Potion, Misharna, Psychic Energy, Deerling, Snivy, Pansage, Psychic Energy, Serving, Venipede, Energy Switch, Audino, Grass Energy, Revive, Snivy, Scolopede, that's a rare, that's nice. Grass Energy, Professor Juniper, Patil, Grass Energy, hold on a second. Let's go the energies out, so I just keep saying it. Okay, and 9 more Grass Energies, Pokemon Communication, Whirlipede, Muna, Patrat, Pansage, Energy Retrieval, Snivy, Sawsbuck, Potion, Serving, Pokeball Trainer, Venipede, Energy Search Trainer, and Deerling. So that is a Serperior black and white theme deck. It comes with this. It's still saying. Oh, it's pretty cool. Here's a checklist of the black and white set that's coming out soon. And you get damage counters and a burn and poison. And this deck box. And this little trainer challenge card thing. That's pretty nice. And this playmat. I ain't gonna open it up really, but I'm just showing it. See, bench, discard pile, all that. The playmat. So there's the and this coin you get. It's got all the starters on it: Snivy, Oshawott, and T-Pig. So thanks for watching this black and white Serperior deck opening. This is called the Green Tornado deck. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.